Namaskar. Do you know what happens when you start your day with protein food? Protein takes longer time to digest. So a high protein breakfast will make you feel full for a longer time. Such a breakfast will also improve your muscle health, helps you to lose weight and regulates your glucose level. Now, let us look at 5 healthy protein rich food to be taken in the morning breakfast. First, Paneer Tikka Kathi roll. For the Paneer Tikka filling, you will need 1 cup paneer cubes, half cup capsicum cubes, 1 tablespoon oil for cooking. For preparing a marinade, mix half tablespoon thick curd, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoon besan, 3/4 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon dry fenugreek leaves, half teaspoon garam masala and salt to taste. Now start by making a paneer tikka. Combine the paneer cubes, capsicum cubes and the marinade in a bowl and toss gently. Keep aside to marinate for 30 minutes. Heat a tawa, grease it with oil and cook the marinated paneer capsicum on a medium flame for 4 to 5 minutes. For the paneer tikka roll, mix all this in a bowl and keep aside. Next, start assembling one roll by placing a roti on a clean dry surface. Put 1/4 portion of the marinated paneer tikka on side of the roti and roll it up tightly. Repeat with the remaining ingredients to make 3 more paneer tikka rolls. The second breakfast option is overnight chia pudding. You will need 1/4 cup chia seeds, 3/4 cup milk, natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, and fresh fruits of your choice. For this recipe, you may even choose almond milk, cashew, or coconut milk. A sweetener can also be replaced with seasonal fruits like mango, apple, papaya, chiku, pineapple, berries, and so on. In a bowl, add chia seeds along with milk. Stir it well for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add the sweetener. Keep it inside the fridge for 2 to 3 hours or overnight. It should become thick and firm. When you serve, put chopped fresh fruits on top. Third is Daliya Paneer Upma. Take 60 grams Daliya, 50 grams chopped vegetables of your choice like carrots, French beans, green beans, cauliflower and tomatoes, 30 grams paneer cubes, whole cashew nuts, ginger, green chili, turmeric powder, dried red chili, oil, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, salt, water, coriander and curry leaves. Heat oil in a kadhai and then add mustard seeds, cumin, a few curry leaves, dried red chili and whole cashew nuts. Saute them on a medium flame till the spices start to make cracking sounds. Now add paneer cubes. Fry them till they become light brown and smash them coarsely. Keep them aside. Add ginger and green chili into the oil tempered with spices. Saute well. Now add chopped carrots, beans, peas, cauliflower and tomato. Also add turmeric and salt as per taste. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Then add Daliya and roast on low flame for 5 minutes. Add boiling water to it and cook covered for 2 minutes on a high flame. Check salt and adjust accordingly. Give it a mix and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Fourth is peanut butter and fruit with quinoa, oats or broken wheat, that is Daliya. You will need 1 cup water, 1 cup quinoa or oats or Daliya broken wheat, 1/4 apple juice or cider, 1 tablespoon reduced fat creamy peanut butter, 1 small banana, chopped 2 tablespoons of raspberry or strawberry or any spreadable fruits, and 1 teaspoon unsalted blanched peanuts. In a medium saucepan, combine the water and quinoa or oats or broken wheat. Bring to a boil and reduce the heat to medium-low. Cook by covering for 10 to 15 minutes or until water is absorbed. Remove from heat, add apple juice and peanut butter and keep stirring until it mixes properly. And then add the banana. Serve mixture in a bowl. Add a spoonful of spreadable fruit to each serving and topping it with peanuts. The fifth high protein breakfast is a berry coconut smoothie bowl. Take 100 grams coconut Greek yogurt, 1 cup frozen strawberry, 1/4 cup raw unsalted cashews, 2 tablespoons grounded flax seed, 1 tablespoon coconut water, other fresh berries, unsweetened coconut flakes and cacao nibs. In a blender, combine coconut Greek yogurt, strawberries, cashews, flax seeds and more coconut water if needed. Divide this between 2 bowls and top with additional strawberries, coconut flakes and cacao nibs. Your breakfast is ready. You may choose from any of these 5 breakfast recipes which contain paneer, yogurt, milk and peanuts, which are very good source of protein. These breakfasts are not just high in proteins but also all the essential nutrients required in the body. So try these breakfasts and stay energetic throughout the day. Namaskar.